Road noise. Okay. Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. I thought it'd be a cool idea just to show you my new tool that I picked up a couple of days ago. This is the Ryobi 16-inch variable speed scroll saw. Picked this up from Home Depot, priced at about $155. So I really don't know too much about this product. However, watching a lot of YouTube videos, became super obsessed with this item, and I was just kind of thinking of all the projects that I could do. I'm super excited about this, and I really hope you guys are too. So stay tuned for our next video on how to use this beautiful thing. Are you recording? Okay, so it comes with the Ryobi's owner operation manual. And then we're gonna It's super pretty. Look at it. I don't. And I don't like the way you're looking at me. Okay.